Dreaming of capturing stunning aerial shots in crystal clear detail? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best 4K camera drones on Amazon that can completely elevate your filming game. From smooth gimbal stabilization to smart GPS features, I'll walk you through what makes each drone worth flying. And of course, I'll share the pros and cons so you know exactly what to expect before you buy. Let's take off and explore the skies. Number 1. Overall best pick, Potensic Atom 3 Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom 3 Axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone is a solid choice for beginners and hobbyists who want high-quality footage without the hassle of heavy registration. Weighing under 249 grams, it's lightweight yet packed with features like a stable 3-axis gimbal, 4K 30 FPS camera, and up to 96 minutes of combined flight time with extra batteries. The 6-kilometer transmission range is impressive for its class, and visual tracking makes it easy to capture dynamic shots. On the downside, it doesn't perform as well in strong winds compared to heavier drones. Still, for portability, ease of use, and crisp video, this drone offers great value. Number 2. My second best pick. Caruaser GPS Drone with Camera. This GPS drone with camera is a beginner-friendly option that delivers a lot of value for its size. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids extra registration hassles while still offering solid features like GPS auto-return, follow-me mode, and brushless motors for smoother, quieter flights. The included 4.5-inch LCD screen and 32G SD card are convenient, letting you fly and record without needing extra gear. Flight stability is reliable in calm conditions, and the long-range capability adds more freedom to explore. The main drawback is that video quality isn't on par with higher-end 4K drones, especially in low light. Overall, it's a practical, travel-ready drone for casual pilots. Number 3. My third best pick. UFLYTO LA GPS drones with 4K camera. The G10 GPS drone is a solid entry-level quadcopter that balances ease of use with advanced features. Its under 249 grams weight makes it hassle-free for beginners and kids, while its built-in HD screen on the controller provides a clear live view without needing a phone. The 4K camera captures sharp footage and good lighting, and features like Follow Me mode and GPS auto-return add confidence to each flight. Long flight time and stable transmission make it great for learning and exploring. The only downside is that the 4K resolution doesn't match the sharpness of premium drones, especially for professional use. Still, it's an excellent starter drone for fun and casual filming. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Holystone GPS drone with 4K UHD camera. The Holystone HS360S is a lightweight yet powerful drone that delivers great value for beginners and casual flyers. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the 4K UHD camera captures crisp photos and smooth video. The 10,000 feet control range and 5G transmission provide a stable connection so you can fly with confidence. Features like Follow Me mode and Smart Return Home add convenience and safety, making it less stressful for new pilots. The brushless motors also ensure quieter and more reliable flights. On the downside, battery life could be better, especially on longer sessions. Overall, it's a dependable and user-friendly drone for the price. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, DitizHub G30 Drones with Camera. The DitizHub G30 is a solid choice for beginners looking for an affordable drone with advanced features. Its 4K camera captures clear, detailed footage, and GPS-assisted flight makes it easier to control, especially with auto-return and beginner mode, ensuring safe flights. The brushless motors provide smoother performance and longer durability compared to cheaper options. Flight time is impressive for its size, giving you enough time to practice and enjoy aerial shots without constant recharging. At under 249 grams, it's lightweight and doesn't require registration in most regions. However, it can be a bit sensitive in windy conditions. Overall, a great starter drone with reliable features. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite 4K camera drones? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.